Gave you my heart.
Hello friends, this is Priya and you are welcome to NCERT's English classes. With this video, we'll start a new chapter that is Climate. It is chapter 4 of Geography book of grade 9. So let's start with introduction of chapter. So geography till now. Till now, what we have studied in our geography book? We have studied about landforms in first chapter, physical features in our second chapter, drainage system in our third chapter. So till now we have seen how the physical features look like, what are the different type of landforms found in India, India's relation with world, where is India in world, India's location we can see, and drainage system, what is drainage system of India, drainage patterns and all these things. These all are influenced by climate. All these things, physical features, landforms, drainage system, all these things, they are influenced by climate. How? This thing we'll study in this chapter only in our upcoming videos. So example we can take like Aravalli Hills. Before many years, they were somehow loftier than now, but over the time period, their height is decreased. So this we can say they are influenced by climate. Now it can be anything, temperature, humidity, anything. So all these things, they are influenced by climate. So climate is playing a great role in our life. Now what is the significance of chapter? We'll see India's relation in world, how day and night are taking place. This is very simple thing. Another thing we'll see seasons in India. We are seeing summer season, rainy season, winter season or monsoon season we are seeing in India. So how all these things are coming, how monsoon is coming, then how winter is coming. So all these things, these are part of this chapter that is climate. So all these things we'll cover in this chapter. Next, what are the study points of the chapter? So study points of the chapter are, we'll see difference between weather and climate. This topic we'll cover in this video itself, that what is different between weather and climate. Are they different or they are same? Next, what is India's climate? So India has monsoon type of climate. Climate control, what are the things or what are the factors which are controlling our climate, like latitude, altitude, pressure, wind system, distance from sea, ocean currents and relief features. So all these things we'll cover. Then factors affecting India's climate. What are the factors which are affecting our climate, means India's climate? Here we'll study work of pressure and wind, Coriolis force, jet stream, western cyclonic disturbances. Next we'll study Indian monsoon, El Nino and its relation with Indian monsoon, the onset of the monsoon and its withdrawal. Next we'll see the seasons. What are the seasons? The cold weather season that we call as winter season. The hot weather season, we know it as summer. Advancing monsoon, this we call as the rainy season. Then the retreating or post monsoon, that is the transition season. Then we will cover distribution of rainfall, monsoon as a unifying bond. So all these are the study points of the chapter which we are going to study in this chapter, climate chapter. So let's start with our first subtopic, that was climate and weather. In this part we'll see what is the difference between climate and weather. Are they different or they are same? So climate versus weather or weather versus climate. First of all, let us understand what is weather. So state of the atmosphere over an area at any point of time. What is the state of atmosphere? There is humidity, there is rainfall, temperature is high or temperature is low. So what is the state of atmosphere? What is the state of our surrounding over an area? Over an area, what is the state of atmosphere? What is the state of surrounding at any point of time, at any particular time? That is known as weather. And weather we can see it is day-to-day phenomena. Now let us come to climate. Sum total of weather conditions Weather we have understood, it is state of atmosphere over an area at any point of time. Now climate is sum total of weather conditions. Suppose one example, we will take one weather, 2, 3, 4, and like this we'll collect many weathers and then we will group them. We will make a team. That is known as climate. So total sum of weather conditions and variations over a large area for a long period of time. So it is sum total of weather conditions when many weathers they will come together and they will form variations over a large area. We can say weather is on small area, it is covering small area, whereas climate is giving variations over a large area. Weather, it is over an area at any point of time, at a particular time it is weather, but climate, it is for a long period of time. So sum total of weather conditions and variations over a large area for a long period of time, that is known as climate. So now we have seen the definition of climate and weather, and that is only the differentiation. Now weather is day-to-day phenomena, whereas climate, weather condition more than 30 years. Here 30 is written. So the weather conditions which are being carried throughout the 30 years or more than 30 years. We can say 300 years, 3 lakh or 3 million years. We don't know how much long it is. But we can say weather conditions which are more than 30 years. They are over a long period of time. Whereas weather, it is day-to-day phenomena. Weather can change or it can fluctuate within the day. Suppose in the morning it was very sunny day, and coming towards the sunset, towards the evening, it may be colder. So the weather conditions, they may fluctuate within a day. So weather is day-to-day phenomena, whereas climate is weather conditions more than 30 years. Now their time period and their area will change, but the elements, they will remain the same. What are the elements? Temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind, humidity, precipitation. So all these elements, they will remain same whether it is weather or climate. They will remain same, only the area size, time period will change. So all the elements, they will remain same. Now weather conditions may fluctuate very often within a day. So they can change within a day, as we have taken example. But a common pattern is observed for a period of time that can be week or month. This you may also have noticed that for a particular time, a particular pattern you will observe. If we take example of winters, they start nearly November and December, and they are till April and March. So within these months, a common pattern we will observe. That is another thing, that the temperature, it will decrease, it will increase, but the common pattern we will observe for a period of time. It can be weeks and it can be months. So like this, the weather conditions, they may fluctuate within a day, they may change within a day, but a common pattern we will observe for a period of time. It can be for a week, it can be for a month. Therefore, on the basis of generalized monthly atmospheric conditions, like we have taken example of winters, so like this, on the basis of generalized monthly atmospheric conditions, from November, December to April and March, the atmospheric conditions were, the temperature was low. It was around 8 degree to 12 degrees Celsius. So therefore, on the basis of generalized monthly atmospheric conditions, are the conditions of atmosphere. On this basis, our year is divided into season. We are dividing a year, the 365 days of a year, into season. The world is divided into different climate regions. Like India, we see that it has monsoon type of climate. We can take example of Russia. If I say Russia, so you will imagine a place where the snowfall is there, right? So like this, the world is divided into different climatic regions, and with that we can say that India has the monsoon type of climate. So like winter, summer, and this is monsoon type of climate. So India is coming under monsoon type of climate. So weather conditions, they may change within a day, they may fluctuate within the day. Therefore, on the basis of these atmospheric conditions, we have divided the year into different seasons. And like this only, our world is also divided into different climate regions. And under this, our India is coming in monsoon type of climate. So that's all for today. In this video, we have covered one topic, that is weather versus climate, or we can say difference between weather and climate. The rest of our subtopics will cover in our upcoming videos. So hope you understood it very well. So like the video, share it, and subscribe to our channels for more educational videos. Thank you.